weather message. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Beaver, Washington, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flood warning for northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 1:15 a.m. At 7:19 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain and flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1 inch. Additional rainfall up to 2 inches. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Moon Township, Greensburg, Weirton, McKeesport, Franklin Park. Jeanette, please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The forecast for Pittsburgh.
GG.